Process is in nature.
take your seats, and kindly I invite you to maintain.
Your Majesty and Chancellor, University of Nursing and Medical Sciences, I take the honor to invite you, the congregation of the third graduation anniversary ceremony.
By inviting the power of the person upon me, which constitutes this assembly, the third congregation of the Ladies of Council, the corporations, the award certificates, the institute, as examined and certified, the grandaunts and the examinations board, Uganda Allied Examinations Board, the Uganda Business and
Authority, the second Deputy Katukiro of Busoga Kingdom, Royal Council Busoga Kingdom, Honorable Members of Parliament present, Busoga Kingdom ministers and other cultural leaders, the Registrar, Uganda Nurses and Midwives Council, the Registrar, Uganda Allied Health Professionals Council, the Registrar, Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board, the Executive Secretary, Professionals Examinations Board, the Executive Secretary, Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board, the resident district.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la
That was the season, and the reason was used to get out of this place with a certificate in nursing, in pharmacy, in medical lab, in midwifery. Go forth to serve, be our ambassadors. We trust in you, don't let us down. The Chancellor recently got an accreditation to the Ministry of Health. We now offer diplomas in lab technology and pharmacy, in clinical medicine, in nursing, and midwifery. Interviews are still ongoing for the July intake. I want to call upon us all here today to tell one to tell the other that the best place to take a child for health course is University of Nursing and Medical Sciences. We are the best in that. We know what we do. Thanks for coming, and may the good Lord bless you.
The leadership of the kingdom, the leadership of the school, but most of all the leadership of this country for giving us an enabling environment to be able to train as private institutions in this country. Allow me also to thank the director of this school for investing wisely in programs that are going to provide employable skills to the graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to inform you that the Examination Board of Nurses and Midwives conducts examinations twice a year, in June and in December. In the month of June, we are going to hold exams from 12th to 23rd. I wish to inform you, guests invited, that the nurses and midwives that are going to graduate today have been previously trained and assessed, and they are ready to join the world of work. I thank the parents who paid for them the school fees. I congratulate all of you who are going to graduate today, but also call upon all of you to continue observing the code of ethics for nurses and midwives in the country and in the world. Your clients, your patients are going to continue assessing you, and therefore you should really continue to perform the soft skills. Allow me, in the interest of time, to say all of you are welcome. All of you, please look out for the graduates from this school because the school has facilities to train the nurses equitably. Allow me, MC, to stop here, not go through the structured speech, and wish all of you journey mercies when you return.
Officials, our chief guests, and all the dignitaries which are around, allow me to be so brief. Bringing you greetings, and also let me greet from the chairperson, from the Executive Secretary, Uganda Allied Health International Board, Mr. Agondwa Joseph, who currently is attending another graduation party in Lira, that is Jerusalem Institute of Health graduation at the moment. At this time, I would like to congratulate the board, the staff, and management of this institution for reaching this moment of the third graduation. Allied Health International Board is the board that is mandated to streamline, regulate, and also award papers for our students throughout the country. I would like to say that we are so much committed to do this function with the help of the institutions. If the tutors here were not there, we would not be able to achieve what you are achieving today. We always involve the students, the tutors from this institution. We also involve the proprietors who facilitate them. I would like to thank you so much for that. Today, we are going to have a pass out of the students, and I would like to give a very brief advice. One, that let us use this opportunity, this graduation time of today, as an opportunity, as a stepping stone. Don't go back and relax, but use it when your brain is still very hot, when your brain is able to think, and when it's still vibrant enough, so you are able to upgrade and get to another height. So it is not just you sitting there and you remain home. Please join the institute, the professionals, and you will be able to move. Secondly, I would like to also appeal to you that when you get out there, make sure that you continue to uphold the professional ethics, as my colleagues have said, and also the discipline. It is through your discipline that has made you to achieve what you have achieved today. Discipline and hard work. And those who have not reached here, I'm sure there was a little bit of indiscipline that was on their side. And once again, I would like to thank parents who have looked after you, who have provided for you, and I would like to congratulate you all on this great day for God and my country.
For the resilience, for the focus and determination, because I know that many of these programs were disrupted by the COVID pandemic. Many of the students would have probably finished earlier, but all this was interrupted. There are institutions in this country that perhaps have not recovered. That's why I say I want to commend the leadership of this institute for keeping it alive, growing it, and today we have a new cohort of graduates going out into the market. I want to thank you very, very much for the developments that have taken place. When we were last here, there were fewer buildings, but today I saw new buildings. So thank you so much for supporting the health sector, for supporting government in developing the human capacity, for supporting the people of this area by creating a market for them, and for giving the young children an opportunity to come to a place which is near to them, instead of having to go and struggle for places in Kampala, in Kisoro, in Arua, and other places. So thank you so much, and I wish you the best. I look forward to the day when this institution will pass out graduates with degrees. Thank you for the new courses that you have introduced, because they were not here when we were here last time. So thank you very much for your vision and commitment to the promotion of education. You are the pride of Busoga. You are a good role model, and I hope that other leaders will emulate you in this endeavor. As I've indicated, I have another commitment somewhere else. So Your Majesty, you'll excuse me, I need to leave, but I'm happy to be here, and I wish good luck to the young people who are graduating today. Thank you very much.
Executive Secretary UPTEP, if you are present, please, for purposes of saving time, I would kindly request that you come over here, such that as
skills, apply the knowledge, and appropriate attitude. This has enabled the production of highly competent, innovative graduates who meet the demands of the world of work. I'm glad to note that this institution has registered milestones in doing excellent real-life projects such as agriculture, bakery, and catering. This is good for our country to produce artisans and technicians that can create jobs for themselves and be productive in the labor market. As part of Skilling Uganda agenda, the government is implementing the Tibet reforms as enshrined in the National Development Plan 3 agenda on Human Capital Development and Tibet Policy 2019. I'm glad to inform you that UPTEP accordingly rolled out the modularized assessment for national certificate programs and the Uganda Community Polytechnic Certificate Program. In the next academic year, 23-24, the board will roll out the modularized assessment for diploma programs across the country. UPTEP awards guarantees upward academic progression and joining productive workforce. On this note, I wish to encourage all dear graduates to make sure to make use of the competencies you have obtained and make contribution to the labor market and enroll for further studies. As I conclude, I wish to inform you that the board released the November-December 2022 examination results, and we have embarked on issuing academic documents for candidates who successfully completed their programs of study. On this note, I wish to request heads of centers to pick candidates' academic documents once the board issues notes to pick the documents. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take this note and I congratulate the graduates and the parents. On another note, apart from this speech, I want only to emphasize one word. To the graduates, one issue is integrity and professionalism. That's what we expect to see in the labor market. Then to my dear parents, bakaire bange mwena abali wano mbebaza okutwala ensonga eno ng'enkulu ey'okusomesa abaana bawala n'abalenzi. Aye kyembakubiriza kiri kirala nti omuzaire bw'oba okali kutwala abaana mu isomero sooka obuuze eisomero eryo erikola national exams. Amatendekero mangi gali kuva ku bibuuzo ebiri national bakola ebyo. Certificate eyo gy'anaabanga afunye eddamu komya ku mulyango ogwo ezirayo emitwala. So nebaza abazaire bonna abaleesa abaana era mwongere Lubega abaana kuba itendekero eri registered ne gavumenti erikola national exams. Ekyo kyoba osooka okubuuza. Wano tuli wa matendekero Alight, Nursing and UPTEP. UPTEP tukola amasomo ag'ebyemikono ne business. Ife twalira mu kifo kya UNEP, that is our mandate. So nebaza ino mwebalirira kuleeta abaana era mbongera abaana for God and my country. CPA Kawamusi Geoffrey, Deputy Executive Secretary UPTEP. Thank you.
mwebale ekintu mukigeme n'amaanyi. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Can we clap for our students?
Ndi kusabalata oyikirize olamuseeku abantu bano bonabona abasogabo abagwire mu Busoga n'endala Busoga Papa Kyabazinga abalina omuzindalo oguleetera Kyabazinga banange yes omuzindalo okutuusa Kadaga olamuseeku abasogabo webale ino ssebo webalirira okusoma.
First Deputy Prime Minister wa Uganda, Right Honorable Alitwala Kadaga, Busei, Katuukiro wa Busoga, n'abamyuka bo, Ssaabalangira wa Busoga, n'abalangira b'ensikirano. His Eminence, Sheikh Shaban Ramadan Baje, the Mufti of Uganda, members of Parliament, bali wano olwaleero. Abakulembeze ab'endawulo aba districts endawulo mu Busoga, representatives from the Uganda Nurses and Midwives Examinations Board, Uganda Allied Health Examinations Board, and Uganda Business and Technical Examinations Board, representatives from the Ministry of Education and Sports, plus DIT, by RDCs, bali wano olwaleero. Board of Directors of this institute, led by Professor Lubega, our dear graduates, all invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observed. Okusinziira omukolo bwe guli gwa luzungu kubanga tuli mu akademiya. Ayenze bwe ndi twala Busoga ena yonna bijja kwogera mu Lusoga. Ndi musanufu okuba n'olwaleero ku Lubega School of Nursing and Health Professionals. Mwebale kwida mu bungi muti okuva ewala n'okumpi. Ntwala omukisa guno okwebaza Board of Directors n'abantu bonna bana mu bitiibwa byammwe bano omuli abawi b'amagezi abaasobola okuba n'ebiduubo eby'okutandika Lubega School of Nursing and Health Professionals efuuse ensonga. Mu iwanga lyaffe Uganda tukeetaagira yala abasawo okuyidandaba abantu baife kubanga tubenda nga muli balamu. Nebaza Board of Directors ng'ekulemberwa Professor Lubega olw'okuwa abantu baife emirimu egy'endawulo. Kino kibayambaku okwongeza eningiza mu maka. Bwe nali wano omwaka oguweire, Gabula blog yali ku foundation stage. Bwe ndogerera emirimu bagyongeremu amaanyi akabonera akalaga nti essomero lino liri kwongera okukulaakulana. Era tusuubira nti lidda kwongeramu courses edindi ed'endawulo y'okuyita mu maiso lisobole okutuuka ku level ey'okuba n'abaana nga ba degrees. Ng'obwa Kyabazinga lidda kwongera okunyweza enkolagana yaife ne Lubega School of Nursing and Health Professionals. Era tubeebaza bursaries demuwa obwa Kyabazinga bwa Busoga. Mu ngeri ey'endawulo ne baza abazaire n'abo bonna b'ekigemaku olw'okusomesa abaana ne ba musaayi muto. Ndozaayo za Lubega School of Nursing and Health Professionals olw'okutuuka ku matiikira ag'omuguzi ogwokusatu. Tibitera kuba byangu aye ekibumba basobozeisa okutuuka ku lunaku luno. Mutatuulanga okwo. Nongera okuyozaayoza ba graduates olw'okutaaya emyoyo gyammwe n'okuyifiriza ebiseera mwayikiriza okusoma. You have made us proud. aye mwidukire nti mwakatandika okusoma n'olwekyo mutakoma ku certificates and diplomas twenda mwongere ku degrees eziri mu Busoga ne Uganda okutwaliza awalala. Abasomi b'effuli nabo wano olwaleero abalijja okuba abakulembeze baife ye bwida mu maiso n'olwekyo nguba omulanga eri abazaire naawe bonabona bekigemako nti mwongeremu amaanyi abantu bano okuba ab'obuvunaanyizibwa ate n'ab'omugaso mu bitundu gye bawangaalira. Ng'amaliriza nebaza board of directors organization n'abasigaire bonabona mu bitiibwa byammwe olw'emirimu egy'enjawulo gye mukoze okufuula omukolo guno okuba omunovu. Bendeze engendo ennungi abaviire ewala n'okumpi. Kibumba abeniimwe Busoga okuyisanya n'amaanyi.
We have 41 students who have qualified for the conferment of certificate in laboratory technology. Mr. Chancellor, sir, these are our pioneer students for the Lubega School of the Professionals. Can we please clap for them? Who are now professional and qualified, be awarded certificate midwifery and 193 for certificate in enrolled nursing. On that note, by virtue of the powers vested upon me, Mr. Chancellor, may I invite the head of the school
Thank you. Thank you.
By virtue of the powers entrusted upon me, I wish to congratulate the persons whose names have been read upon completion of the course leading to the award of a certificate in medical laboratory as certified by the Uganda Allied Health Examinations Board.
You've been awarded the certificate in laboratory techniques. Congratulations. DJ?
The powers entrusted upon me, I wish to congratulate the persons whose names have been read upon completion of the course, leading to the award of a certificate in pharmacy as certified by the Uganda Allied Health Examinations Board.
of your mercy, solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of His assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice my profession faithfully, to abstain from whatever is deliciously and mischievous, and not to take or do all in my power to maintain and evaluate the standard of my profession and hold in confidence all my professional matters committed to my keeping and all family affairs coming to my knowledge in the practice of my profession, to endeavor with loyalty to aid the physician in his work and to devote myself to the welfare of these committed to my care. So help me Allah.
Can we have one representative from the ministry? Quickly, the representatives of the graduates, one from each program, quickly. Can the others move a little bit away? Yes. Please, can you move there? The representatives of the graduates. Thank you. And the following categories are going to receive the cakes, so be prepared. We shall have the Executive Secretary, UNIMED. Executive Secretary, you are here. You count yourself. That is a lifetime opportunity to be served by His Majesty. It's a memorable one. It's a memorable one, and count yourselves lucky. It does not happen even in a century. Congratulations. Thank you, all of you. Thank you. Thank you. All the members of the Uganda Muslim Supreme Council, thank you so much for coming. Yes. Thank you, thank you. After that function, can I have the following people get ready to receive the cake?
I invite the President I wish to resolve this assembly with that congregation, the length of Nancy, and every professionals. Wish you journey us to your destination.